movement in England? A. Romanticism. B. Neoclassicism. C. Victorian. D. Enlightenment. Answer B. Neoclassicism. Q4. Which of the following is true about Thomas Gray's literary career? A. He published numerous collections of poems during his lifetime. B. He was largely unknown during his lifetime. C. He was celebrated as the greatest poet of his era. D. He often avoided publication out of fear of criticism. Answer D. He often avoided publication out of fear of criticism. Q5. Elegy written in a country churchyard was first published in which year? A. 1751. B. 1735. C. 1760. D. 1749. Answer A. 1751. 3. PGTRB Educational Psychology, Unit 2. Q1. Which of the following is not part of Jean Piaget's stages of cognitive development? A. Sensorimotor. B. Concrete operational. C. Pre-operational. D. Transitional operational. Answer D. Transitional operational. Q2. According to Vygotsky, what plays the most significant role in a child's cognitive development? A. Biological growth. B. Social interaction. C. Personal experiences. D. Innate intelligence. Answer B. Social interaction. Q3. Lawrence Kohlberg's stages of moral development are primarily based on A. Cognitive maturity. B. Behavioral conditioning. C. Responses to ethical dilemmas. D. Cultural influences. Answer C. Responses to ethical dilemmas. Q4. Which educational psychologist proposed the zone of proximal development? A. Erik Erikson. B. Jerome Bruner. C. B. F. Skinner. D. Lev Vygotsky. Answer D. Lev Vygotsky. Q5. Albert Bandura's concept of observational learning involves all the following except A. Attention. B. Retention. C. Motivation. D. Genetic predisposition. Answer D. Genetic predisposition. 4. PGTRB General Knowledge, Unit 2. Q1. Who is the only Indian Prime Minister to have been awarded the Bharat Ratna while in office? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. D. Rajiv Gandhi. Answer A. Indira Gandhi. Q2. In which year was the Right to Information Act enacted in India? A. 2002. B. 2005. C. 2010. D. 1998. Answer B. 2005. Q3. Who among the following was not a founder of the non-aligned movement? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sukarno.